Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to sell your domain on eBay? In this guide we will cover the steps to create a listing, manage bids and successfully sell your domain on eBay. Follow along for detailed instructions. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, all you have to do is to search for eBay sell domain and you will have this page that sells basically domain name services sales, so you can sell domains of different categories. Now first thing first is you have to go ahead and click on sell. Then in here you have to click list an item. And right after that you have to create an account within eBay. But first choose what are you going to sell. So let's go right here and search for domain, and as you can see, search for them, and right after that they will take you to this page where you have to sign in. So let's continue with Google so you can skip a couple of steps and be ahead in no time. Just like that, I have to verify myself that I am not a robot and I am a human. So click the image similar to the simple one. I think it's a rabbit, so let's go, and there we go. And just like that we have to wait a couple things, and here I am right after I signed in. Now literally what you have to do is to add a couple of informations about your domain. So first thing is, as a photo it usually has to be something that includes your domain. So what you could do, for example, is go to your domain host and go to your dashboard, and from it you can take a screenshot of the domain and the year where it expires. For example, just like that, I can use this tool so I can take a screenshot and basically save it in desktop domain picture, and just like that I can now upload it in here, and there we go. What other thing that you could do is to go ahead and open canva.com and create like 500 pixel image. Let me just check how much. Okay, let's go for 500. So let me just go back here, create design, custom, or we can go custom size like that, 500 and 500, and create new design. In here you simply have to write your domain name. So I'm gonna go right here, write a text, grab a heading, and write, for example, the domain name that I have. So I have this one, copy it, paste it right here. You can add a couple of designs into it. So let me just add it first like that into the middle, and what I'm gonna do is to, for example, change the button to be, for example, the dot to be like in pink and dot online in pink, and just like that we have this pretty cool picture that we can use it, share, download, and save it as PNG, as you can see, and download it. As simple as that. Now what to do next is to go back to here and add another picture. So download, this is the one, and we have here a picture that includes our domain. So here I'm gonna add the title, domain names for sale. I'm gonna add here the name of my domain. So here, as you can see, domain name, let's add here domain name, just like that. I have added it successfully. So we have here like the name and the main things which are for sale, and domain name for sale. The domain name I added it only for the keyword, so when people are searching for domain name, mine is gonna be like implemented in this search engine. And basically, because if I didn't include it, then usually it's gonna be pretty hard. Also here you have to add the domain name. So here domain extension, it is .online. You have to choose one of them. If in case it wasn't online, then choose online. Domain name type, it is domain name. Just add for example Namecheap or GoDaddy. For example, I'm gonna add Namecheap, or you can choose GoDaddy. Let's go for GoDaddy, for example. Service area, it's basically choose, for example, title and CD business. Unit quantity, I have one. Unit type, let's it's not feet, it's nothing like that. Basically this is it. Now fresh domain connected to a hosting in GoDaddy with 10 years of term of or length of term, with 10 years length of term. Okay, we can do that as well, and just like that we can save it. Now description, you can add it like a description from like I usually go to Flipper because it is a good website that has a lot of domains, and I go to domains, and basically there I can go ahead and get a description. So I can go right here, domains, and here we'll find dozens of domains. So I can go and click on one of them and basically copy the description of this domain, and I can paste it in here. So we can copy paste it and change a couple of things like the domain name, registered, and date, and all the details about it, so you can have the best description ever. And the description can boost your sale by 22%, as I think I've read. I'm not really like sure of this information, but it can boost your chance of selling the product by 22%. So make sure to have a good quality description that can explain all about the domain name itself and why they should buy it and why they should acquire it in the first place. So this is very important. And of course, make sure to implement kind of like some design things, for example bold when it's something that is important, point when there is like a point to mention, and basically if you have a custom template you can add it right here and save it if you are going to sell multiple domains. That's pretty also as well awesome as well. And you can show all options by like changing a lot of stuff, like similar option like changing the color, changing a lot of things in the description itself. So that can be good. Now for the pricing, you can either choose buy now or auction. Now auction means that a lot of people are going to bid on your domain, and you can choose one of them to buy it, or basically the person with the highest amount of money will buy it. The second option is basically buy it now. So you can literally just put a price when whoever clicked on buy now and proceed to checkout first is gonna buy it, and that is pretty much it. So now you simply have, for example, to put a price, quantity, and payment policy by Prenival. This is not something that you have to add, simply just remove it. Here you can allow offers in case you would like to accept offers. Then you could add offers. For example, I would accept offer of like 80 bucks and auto accept at 110, just as an example. Shipping, there will not be any shippings, and simply click on listed, and just like that you have been starting to sell your domain on eBay. That was it for today's video. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.